Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play, and today is a fun day because it's different. As you can see, we're sitting on the floor. Well, that's because I got this huge box. Well, it's huge. From MGA, and I bought this all myself. It's just from MGA, the headquarters. And I bought tons of the new LOL Miniverse and OMGs, so I forgot all what I ordered, but I got like 2 of these and then this big old box. So let's just see what's in here first, and then we'll go over what's in here. Actually, let's look at what's in here and then we'll look at what's in here. So, whoa, that's dusty. So I'm gonna have you guys pick at the end. You're gonna have to comment below which items you want to see me open first, or if you want me to do a live or something like that for the items. But these are cool. Look at the packaging is totally different. But these are the Miniverse Make It Mini lifestyle. So you make little plants. And if you guys know me in person, you know that I'm obsessed with plants. I have an office in my jungle. Pretty much, yeah. But anyway, a jungle in my office. I have so many plants, and then I have plants at home too. So I just don't have that big of a window at home to put them in. So I don't have as many, but I do have like a monstera and a snake plant and a pothos and stuff like that. So, and a little ZZ plant. They're so cute. So anyways, here's the Make It Mini lifestyle, or Make It Mini lifestyle. Yeah. So the Miniverse, I guess I got 2 of those. I thought I got more, but let's see. So we can do one of those. And then do you guys like to see my videos when I'm doing like these things? Do you like to see my face, or do you like to see my hands? I figured you would like to see my hands because when I'm watching like unboxings, I like to see people's like hands, like, because I can see the toy up close easier. Okay, so this is the Miniverse Make It Mini Food Series 2 Cafe. And so we have 2 of those. And that's what was in those packages. So now we can see what's in this big box. Okay. Whoa, look at all that stuff. Oh, they just jam-packed it all in there. Ooh. Okay. Where's my address and stuff? Okay, it's over there. So, we have, whoa, avalanche. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't seen OMGs in a while. But here we have Pose, I think. Or Pose. I'm not sure how to say her name, but it's Pose. So we have Miss Pose, and here she is. She's so pretty. I absolutely adore her. And as you can tell, they don't have the surprise aspect as much anymore, but we do have some surprises in here. So you get to see the doll, which is nice, unboxed, because if there's something wrong with the doll, there's a little, did I kill it? I don't know. It is that time of the year where there's like flies and gnats and ticks. Oh my gosh, I had a tick on me the other day. I like felt my hair tickling me, and I was sitting on my couch and I was like, there's a spider on my arm. So I look over and it was a freaking tick, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna get this thing off of me? And I got it off, and it took me forever to kill it. I'm not even kidding you. It took me forever to kill it. But okay, so we have Pose. And then here's the other gals that we can get on the back, but I am going to show you guys as I take them out of this box. Ooh, it looks like we have more lifestyle stuff. So, okay, so this is Jams. She's pretty. Look at her makeup. So I can unbox these OMGs as well if you want. I'll be unboxing them one at a time just so we can go over their surprises and see what they have. But I have these OMGs, and then we also have Wildflower. Look how pretty she is. And you can also vote which OMG I do open first, but here is Wildflower, and she's really cute. Look at her like box art. There's like butterflies all over. I love butterflies. And then we have Whoa, there's lots of stuff in here. Oh, I am so excited for her. So we have Victory, and she is really pretty, like absolutely gorgeous. Look at this doll. Gorgeous doll. Okay, and then this is huge. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be. So let's just take these out first. And I'm glad I got them because I thought I didn't get them. But I have the Make It Mini Foods Series 2 Diner. And look, there's a pizza. You can make a pizza. And how many of these did I get? I got 3. I got 3 of those. And then I also have this Make It Miniverse Make It Mini Food. This big kitchen. Or this isn't the kitchen. What is this? It's just a multi-pack. So we have this multi-pack, and we can open this up too. And last but not least, we have this ginormous kitchen. So we have the Miniverse Make It Mini Foods Mini Kitchen. So we have this Make It Mini Kitchen series, and I am so excited for this one. This is what I'm most excited for out of everything that we got today, is this mini kitchen, because look at everything it comes with. It comes with like little oven mitts, it comes with little foods, it comes with this really cool 3D looking kitchen that you can use for your dolls. Like, I'm pretty sure the OMGs and Rainbow Highs would fit this, but you could put your ingredients that you've gotten before in these little cupboards. And so I think that's really cute. I'm super excited to see what's in there. So comment below. Let me know. What do you guys want me to open? Did you guys like this little haul? Should I do these more often? What happened was MGA released all these toys on their website. And I was like, all right, I got to get it all. And I think it cost me around $300, probably because I got all of these dolls. So I got these 4 dolls. These 4, and then I also got the Make It Mini Lifestyles. I have 2 of these. Let me know if you want me to open them, or you can like mix and match. So we'll open these separately. So we'll open these 2 together. So if you want to see me open the Lifestyles, comment below. Let me know you want to see me open the Lifestyles. If you want to see me open the Cafe series, let me know in the comments below. Season 2. Oh, look, my cat's already getting into the box. Both my cats. Oh, I thought, oh yeah, both my cats are in there. She's just digging in there. Let her just dig in there. And then we have Series 2 Diner. And then I have 3 of those. So I'll probably do the Cafe and the Diner separate as well, just because they're brand new. And then I have the multi-pack that we can open. And then I have the kitchen. So comment below, let me know what you guys would like to see in the next video, which will be released tomorrow. And you can let me know like what you want to see second and third too. So you can say, oh, I want to see you open the OMG Wildflower. But if you want to see me open the Mini Foods Make It Mini Lifestyle next, let me know that as well. So comment below, let me know your thoughts. Also, did you guys get these too? Let me know. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.